How to edit duration of photos on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can edit duration of pictures you upload on TikTok. Now, if you open the app, you'll get an interface like this, and if you tap on the plus icon on the bottom of your screen, you'll get an option to upload the picture or shoot a video. Now, if you want to upload a picture, tap on upload option, and here you'll be able to select multiple pictures or a single picture. Now, to select multiple pictures, tap on the select multiple option on the bottom left corner of your screen, and once you do this, you can select pictures all you want. Now, the trick here is select one video along with your pictures. Now I'll select a video. You can see I selected two pictures and a single video of mine. Now tap on next. Now, since we uploaded the video, if you go on edit here, we will be able to edit the length of the picture that we want to upload. You can see I can set it to 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, as much as I want. Now I'll set it to 3 seconds. You can do similar with the next picture. And now if you don't want the video, you can simply tap on it and delete it, or you can edit its length. You can make it short, but you can't make it longer. Note that down. Or either you need to decrease the speed of the video. You can simply tap on save and you can post it. So this way you can edit duration of photos on TikTok. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.